Hey there, Papper people. Quick update on Foamgate. I know I said I don't like doing Foamgate videos, but actually do have some information on there and another thing I want to convey. Number one, had someone, a regular commenter, so I do trust them, in one of the comments of one of my videos said that they did receive a box from Philips Respironics, had a DreamStation 2 in it. They said, here's your DreamStation 2, return your regular DreamStation, your original DreamStation, so it can be properly disposed of. From that, if we can trust this, which I do, we can safely say you get a new machine. They're not doing any work to it. They're not going to take the foam out and leave you with the same machine. They're giving you a brand new DreamStation 2. You return the old one. And I'm not really sure how I feel about that. Not really sure how you guys feel about that either. But here are my immediate thoughts on it. One being, Philips Respironics has said that it's going to take up to 12 months to resolve this. So if you registered whenever, it can be up to a year. So in that time, what are you supposed to do with the machine? Do you use the old one? Do you whatever? I just did a video of how to remove the foam. That's something you can do in the interim if that's something you want to do. And it looks like you don't have to have any worry about them saying, well, it appears you tampered with your machine, so we're not going to give you any replacement. So it looks like you can do what you need to do to get by until you get your replacement machine. Now, why do I not feel so great about this? There's two things. One thing is eating at me now. So since I did that DreamStation 1, like where I actually took out the foam of my father's machine, it had been a long time since I had hands-on with the DreamStation, and much less time since I'd had hands-on with the DreamStation 2. In my DreamStation 2 video, I was pretty light on it. I was excusing bad design, as one YouTube commenter stated. And they're not wrong. I don't think it was a good video. I don't think I reviewed it as well as I could have. I really should have had DreamStation 1, DreamStation 2 side by side, because I remember just how much better the original DreamStation was designed. As far as the functionality, color LCD, the humidifier is so much better. So I'm not really sure how I feel about them replacing the original DreamStation with the DreamStation 2. They're giving you a worse machine. It feels like a worse machine. I'm now seeing the piano black finish on it. It's all gummed up with crap. It's got scratches on it, mostly because my dad's a pig when he used it. If you don't want the humidifier chamber, you can't just take off that entire part. You gotta have that big weird flange that sticks out on the DreamStation 2. Just a bad design. It really is a bad design. And I'm kind of ticked at myself for not catching that. I usually, like with masks, I do very thorough reviews of them. I try them out myself. I ask other people that use them. That's why they come out so damn late. Like, other people are like, oh, I've already had this mask for like 3 months and you come out with this late review. It's because I want to do a good job of it. I was trying to rush that DreamStation 2 machine, and my apologies for it. I screwed up. I shouldn't have done it that fast. That was fully my bad. Totally my bad. I will do better. I will do better. So that leaves us in kind of a weird spot as far as I'm concerned. If you had a DreamStation 1, better machine, you get it replaced with the DreamStation 2, kind of a crap machine. The good news is it looks like Oscar compatibility is right around the corner. I've been in contact with the Oscar developers. I'm not going to say a date, but just know that they're working diligently on it. So here's what to expect. Box with the DreamStation 2 is going to show up on your doorstep. They're going to say, plop your DreamStation in there, send it back so we can incinerate it. Almost done editing this video, and now I see this. This person just got a call from Philips Respironics. They said they would be sending out a DreamStation 2. They said, you know what? I don't want that from your company. I don't trust you anymore. And Philips Respironics said, okay, you're gonna have to contact your medical supply company. So they did. They asked if they could get a different manufacturer's CPAP machine, and they said no. So now it looks like on some level, this recall, the replacement, is gonna be handled differently, perhaps in different regions. So share your stories in the comment section down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. What do you guys think about this? Is this kind of a crap trade? Should they have done some work on the original machine that you actually had purchased? Ooh, if the machine were an upgrade, that'd be a great deal, but seems like it's a downgrade. Come on, Philips. Our original conspiracy theory of you trying to kitty litter this whole debacle by covering up your mistake with a crap machine doesn't look good. Are you gonna come out with the DreamStation 3 like right around the corner? That is my conspiracy theory. Within a year or two, you're gonna see a DreamStation 3 or something like it. We'll see. All right, like, share, subscribe to this video if you liked it. Comment down below if you have anything to add. Did I miss something? You can shame me for my crap DreamStation 2 video. I'm cool with that. I deserve it. Check out my description box down below for ways you can help this channel out, because God knows we need help. And other than that, thanks for watching. Bye. Everyone's too embarrassed to say it. Your mask stinks really bad. Get some Maskbrite at maskbrite.com or Amazon. Thank you to all watching, but an extra thick thanks, buddy, to Ray Troutman, Veronica Young, Sarvesh Joshi, Stuart Hetherington, and Mona Swearingen. And thank you to my other level Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members.